Make money with data analysis using AI. No experience needed. Most people hear the words data analysis and immediately think it requires a computer science degree, years of experience, and complex coding skills. It does not. Not anymore. AI has completely changed what data analysis looks like in practice. Tools that used to require expert programmers now work with plain English instructions. And businesses that desperately need data insights are paying good money for someone who can deliver them clearly and consistently. Today, I am showing you exactly how to make money with data analysis using AI. No experience needed, no coding required, just free tools and a clear system. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI income strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why businesses pay for data analysis. Every business generates data. Sales numbers, customer behavior, website traffic, social media performance, email open rates, inventory levels. Most business owners have all this data sitting in spreadsheets they never look at. They know the data is valuable. They just do not have the time or skills to make sense of it. That is where you come in. You take their raw data, analyze it using AI tools, and deliver clear, actionable insights. What is selling best? Where customers are dropping off? Which marketing is working? Which costs are too high? Businesses pay $300 to $1,000 per project for this service. And with AI doing the heavy analytical work, each project takes 2 to 4 hours to complete. Step 1. Learn the tools you need. You do not need coding skills. You need 3 tools, all free or very low cost. The first tool is Claude. Claude can analyze data you paste directly into it, identify patterns, explain what the numbers mean, and suggest specific actions the business should take based on the findings. The second tool is ChatGPT with the data analysis feature enabled. This allows you to upload spreadsheet files directly and ask questions about the data in plain English. It produces charts, summaries, and trend analysis automatically. The third tool is Google Sheets. This is where you organize, clean, and present data before and after analysis. Most clients will send you data in Excel or CSV format. Google Sheets handles both perfectly and is completely free. Spend one afternoon practicing with these 3 tools before approaching any client. Download a sample sales dataset from Kaggle, which is a free data resource. Upload it to ChatGPT. Ask questions. Paste sections into Claude. Ask Claude to explain what the patterns mean for a business. Get comfortable with the workflow. Step 2. Define your service. Open Claude and ask it to help you design a data analysis service package for small businesses. Tell Claude you want to offer affordable data insights to businesses that have data but no internal analyst. A strong beginner service package looks like this. You receive the client's data in any format. You clean and organize it in Google Sheets. You analyze it using AI tools. You deliver a clear 1 to 2-page report with your top 5 findings and 3 specific recommended actions. Price this service at $200 to $400 per report, depending on the complexity and volume of data involved. Most small businesses find this extremely reasonable compared to hiring a full-time analyst. Ask Claude to write your complete service description, including what you deliver, how long it takes, what the client needs to provide, and what they gain from the insights. Step 3. Find your first clients. The businesses that need this service most are small e-commerce stores, local service businesses tracking leads and conversions, restaurants monitoring sales and costs, fitness studios tracking membership and retention, and any business running paid advertising that wants to understand their results. Go to LinkedIn and search for small business owners and marketing managers. Make a list of 20 targeted prospects. Ask Claude to write a short outreach message that mentions one specific data problem their type of business commonly faces and offers to analyze 1 month of their data as a free sample. Send 20 messages per day. The free sample offer dramatically increases response rates because it removes all financial risk from the client's decision. When a prospect responds, ask them to share 1 month of their most important data. Sales data, website analytics, or social media performance. Deliver your first analysis completely free. Let the quality of your work do the selling. Step 4. Deliver your analysis using AI. When you receive a client's data, follow this 4-step production process every time. First, clean the data in Google Sheets. Remove duplicates. Fix formatting inconsistencies. Organize columns clearly. Clean data produces accurate analysis. Messy data produces misleading results. Second, upload the cleaned data to ChatGPT's data analysis feature. Ask it to identify the top trends, the biggest anomalies, and the most significant patterns in the data set. Ask it to produce 2 or 3 simple charts visualizing the key findings. Third, paste the summary findings into Claude. Ask Claude to interpret what these patterns mean for the specific type of business you are working with. Ask it to suggest 3 concrete actions the business should take based on the data. Fourth, write your final report. Ask Claude to format your findings into a clear professional 1 to 2-page report with an executive summary, key findings section, and recommended actions. Design a simple, clean cover page in Canva. Deliver the finished report before the agreed deadline. Include a brief personal note explaining your most important finding and why it matters most for their business. Your action plan. Starting today, practice with ChatGPT data analysis and Claude using a free sample dataset from Kaggle today. Define your service package with Claude. Write your outreach message with Claude. Send 20 LinkedIn messages tomorrow. Deliver your first free analysis this week. Convert satisfied clients to paid projects immediately after. Data analysis with AI is one of the most underutilized income opportunities available to beginners right now. Start today. What type of business would you target first? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this opened your eyes to a new income opportunity, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.